Hello my friends, it's nice to see you all again on my channel. This time I'm going to talk about a very nice effect called Dolly Zoom, which looks like this. It means you have a subject in your footage and you have a background and they zoom in a different proportion to each other and it creates kind of a jello effect. All you need is a little footage which goes away from the subject in a straight direction, doesn't need to move anywhere, and then we can put on this effect later on in Premiere Pro in post-production. So I'm out here in Zissach, actually above Zissach in a viewpoint, and I have a very nice sunset. I took some pictures as well because I must admit I had to do it. It just looks gorgeous here right now and I'm really happy to be here. And I will actually take up my drone to create those this footage I want to do, just flying towards a subject and then creating that dolly zoom effect. And then maybe I also do a couple of other videos here because as I said, it looks really awesome. So it's really nice to see you here, my friends. Oh, hey guys, nice to see you. I'm back in the studio right now and oh my god, I think I look a little bit hairy, right? Oh my god, I need to get rid of that. Let's see if I can apply some magic to this. Nope, not there yet. All perfectly smooth. Now I am ready for today's video. So thank you very much for waiting. We're talking about the dolly zoom effect, right? So let's switch over to the PC and I will show you how you can apply some magic in Premiere Pro to get this super cool jello zooming effect I was talking about earlier. Let's have a look. As you can see, I have actually opened Premiere Pro. I have imported my drone footage and I have put it on a timeline in here. You can see that this is what I have. It's just myself and the drone is just simply flying away from me. Now what you would do first is create a copy of this clip, and we need that copy only for reference. We don't need to do anything with it except for, you know, having it there as a comparison to our original thing we want to dolly zoom in. So what you would do is take this one here, just simply hold the Alt key on your keyboard and drag it onto the next video layer so it's duplicated there, and I just put it on the end. You need to apply a gradual zoom effect on your footage, like using the scale feature here. So what we want to do is go to the end of this clip and try to find out how big our subject is, which is me in this case, in the end of the original clip and the beginning of the one we duplicated. You see, that's the difference, huh? So I'm pretty small in the second one because I have, you know, I've moved away with the drone, but in the beginning I was this close. And what we want to achieve is that we put a zoom on the original clip at the end, actually, which makes me the same size I was in the beginning of the clip. So I want to keep myself the same size I was in the beginning until I am in the end. So that's why we need that comparison thing. So I would just simply go into the end of my clip here and I would put in a keyframe. So I go there to scale, I press this little stopwatch toggle thingy here and I put a keyframe for, I played around with it before, it's around 160% for myself. So if I go now, so this is the end of the clip, and if I would check in the beginning of the clip, yeah, looks more or less, yeah, I'm more or less the same size, right? So that should be okay. Now what I need to go is, I need to go back into the beginning of my footage and I need to set another keyframe for 100%. And this will mean that my zooming effect will be gradual on the footage. It starts at 100% at the normal size and then it zooms in until it arrives at 160%. And in the meantime, I will stay the same because we use that comparison thing with the other clip, right? But the background would move and create that jello effect. So I will just move this away a little bit and then let's have a look at how this looks like. So I start the animation and there you go. Pretty cool, huh? Again, so I stay the same size while the background actually moves. Pretty cool. So that's the effect. Now enjoy a couple of drone videos and a couple of photos I've shot at that location. I really hope that you liked my video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more, and share the word, because sharing is caring. Have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Adios, amigos.